Appreciation of nature. The rain and the sound of the rain was relentless, and the air smelled like wet grass and lake water. "I don't drink rum," said Josh, as he poured himself another rum and orange juice, and aimed his forehead into the glass. My daughter, 6 now, was down on the narrow beach, wading out along the dock, naked, oblivious to the rain, and trying to catch a fish in her bare hands, screaming with the fun of it, while the downpour mist obscured the far shore, turning all the distant trees into incandescent candles.